a plus b whole to the power n, a plus b whole to the power n, binomial law, from binomial law you can write a plus b whole to the power n as a to the power n into b into some natural number n. N is some, capital N is some natural number, okay? A plus b whole to the power n can be written as a to the power n into b into some natural number. This capital N is some natural number, okay? So a plus b whole to the power n can be written as a to the power n plus b into some natural number, or it is b to the power n into a into some another natural number n1. Okay? A plus b whole to the power n can be written as a to the power n plus b into some natural number capital N, or a plus b whole to the power n is b to the power n plus a into some natural number n1. Okay? For example, suppose 8 to the power n. 8 to the power n can be written as 5 plus 3 whole to the power n. So it is 5 to the power n into some 3 into some natural number. Okay, 5 to the power n plus 3 into some natural number capital N, or it is 3 to the power n plus 5 into another natural number, suppose n1. Okay, so 8 to the power n can be written as 5 plus 3 whole to the power n, that is 5 to the power n plus 3 into some natural number capital N, or it is 3 to the power n plus 5 into another natural number capital N. Okay, take one problem. Find the remainder when 6 to the power 1000 is divided by 5. Okay, find the remainder when 6 to the power 1000 is divided by 5. So base is 6 and 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. Okay, so 6 to the power 1000 is divided by 5 and find the remainder. 6 to the power 1000 is divided by 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. So it is 5 plus 1 to the power 1000 divided by 5. 5 plus 1 to the power 1000 divided by 5. So we can write it as 1 to the power 1000 plus 5 into some natural number n. Okay, so see 5 plus 1 to the power 1000 can be written as 1 to the power 1000 plus 5 into natural number, some natural number capital N. Now 5n is divisible by 5. Now 1 to the power 1000 is what? 1 to the power 1000 is 1 plus 5n divided by 5. So 5n is divisible by 5, 5n is divisible by 5, so the remainder is 1. Okay? 6 to the power 1000 is divided by 5, find the remainder. 6 can be written as 5 plus 1, 5 to the power 1 to 5 plus 1 to the power 1000. So it is 1 to the power 1000 plus 5 into some natural number capital N. So 1 to the power 1000 is 1, so 1 plus 5n by 5. 5n, this number is divisible by 5, so remainder is 1. Okay? Next problem. Find the remainder when 5 to the power 29 is divided by 6. So 5 to the power 29 is divided by 6. Find the remainder. Okay. So 5 to the power 29 divided by 6. The options are 2, 3, 5 and 1. So 5 can be written as 6 minus 1. So 5 can be written as 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 to the power 29 divided by 6. That is minus 1 to the power 29 plus minus 1 to the power 29 plus 6 into some natural number capital N divided by 6. So 5 can be written as 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 to the power 29 divided by 6. So it is minus 1 to the power 29 plus 6 into some natural number N divided by 6. Minus 1 to the power 6, minus 1 to the power 29, that is minus 1. Plus 6n divided by 6. Okay, 6n is divisible by 6. 6n is 6 into n, it is divisible by 6. So the remainder is minus 1. But we are dividing by 6. Remainder is either 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5. So we are dividing by 6. Remainder may be 0, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Cannot be minus 1. Okay. We are dividing 5 to the power 21 and 5 to the power 29 divided by 6. We are getting remainder minus 1. Remainder must be within from 0 to 5. So we can write it as minus 1 plus 6 into n minus 1 plus 1. N can be written as n minus 1 plus 1. divided by 6. Okay. So it is minus 1 plus 6 into n minus 1 plus 6 divided by 5. N can be written as n minus 1. In such situation, we have to write n as n minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 6 into n minus 1 plus 6 divided by 5. So it is minus 1 plus 6, that is 5. 5 plus, sorry, it is 6. 5 plus 6 into n minus 1 divided by 6. Okay. 6 into n minus 1 is divisible by 6. 6 into n minus 1 is divisible by 6. So the remainder is 5. Okay. So the answer is 5. 5 to the power 29 is divided by 6. Question is find the remainder. So 5 to the power 29 divided by 6. 5 can be written as 6 minus 1 to the power 29 divided by 6. It is from binomial law, it is minus 1 to the power 29 plus 6 into some natural number n. Okay, 6 into natural number n is divisible by 6. So remainder is minus 1. But remainder is either, no, we are dividing by 6. Remainder is either 0, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So in such situation, we have to write n as n minus 1 plus 1. So it is minus 1 plus 6 into n minus 1 plus 6. That is 5 plus 6 into n minus 1 divided by 6. Now 6 into n minus 1, this term is divisible by 6. So remainder is 5. Okay. So answer is 5. Next one. Remainder. Find the remainder when 6 to the power 17 plus 17 to the power 6 is divided by 7. Options are 1, 2, 3 or 0. 6 to the power 17 plus 17 to the power 6 is divided by 7. 6 to the power 17 plus 17 to the power 6 is divided by 7. Find the remainder. Okay, first we divide 6 to the power 17 by 7. 6 to the power 17 by 7 and find remainder. 6 to the power 17 divided by 7. So 6 can be written as 7 minus 1. So 7 minus 1 to the power 17 divided by 7. So this is minus 1 to the power 17 plus 7 into some natural number n divided by 7. So this is minus 1 plus 7n divided by 7. In such situation, 7n is divisible by 7, but remainder is minus 1. So we have to write it as n can be written as n minus 1 plus 1. So it is minus 1 plus 7 into n minus 1 plus 7 divided by 7. So it is 6 plus 7 into n minus 1. 6 plus 7 into n minus 1 divided by 7. 6 plus 7 into n minus 1 divided by 7. 7 into n minus 1 is divisible by 7. So remainder is 6. So dividing 6 to the power 17 divided by 7, remainder is 6. This portion we are getting remainder 6. Now we divide 17 to the power 6 divided by 7. 17 to the power 6 divided by 7. 17 can be written as 2 into 7, that is 14. 14 to 14 plus 3 to the power 6 divided by 7. 17, this base can be written as 2 into 7, that is 14 plus 3 to the power 6. So it is 3 to the power 6 plus 14 into some natural number n divided by 7. Okay. 3 to the power 6 plus 14 into some natural number n divided by 7. Now 14 into some natural number n is divisible by 7. So we have to divide now 3 to the power 6 by 7. 3 to the power, now divide 3 to the power 6 by 7 and find remainder. 3 to the power 6 by 7. 3 to the power 6 by 7 and find remainder. 3 to the power 6, that is 3 square to the power 3 divided by 7. 3 square is 9, that is 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 to the power 3 divided by 7. Okay. That is 2 cube plus 7 into some natural number n divided by 7. And 2 cube is 8. So 8 plus 7n, 8 plus 7n divided by 7. Okay. So 7n is divisible by 7 and now divide 8 by 7, remainder is 1. divide 8 by 7, remainder is 1. So 17 to the power 6 divided by 7, remainder equals to 1. 6 to the power 17 divided by 7, remainder is 6. 17 to the power 6 divided by 7, remainder is 1. So 6 to the power 17 divided by 7, 6 to the power 17 plus 17 to the power 6 divided by 7. For the first portion, remainder is 6. For the second portion, remainder 1. So answer is 7. 6 plus 1, 7 divided by 7. Remainder is 0. Okay? See once again. Question is find the remainder when 6 to the power 17 plus 17 to the power 6 is divided by 7. First divide 6 to the power 17 divided by 7. 6 to the power 17 divided by 7. Remainder is 6. 6 to the power 17 divided by 7. Remainder is 6. Now divide 17 to the power 6 divided by 7. In that case, it is 17 can be written as 14 plus 3 to the power 6. So it is 3 to the power 6 plus 14n into divided by 7. 14n divided by 7. This portion is divisible. So we have to find remainder when 3 to the power 6 divided by 7. 3 to the power 6 divided by 7. 3 to the power 6 can be written as 3 square into the power 3. 3 square is 9. That is 7 plus 2 cube by 7. 7 plus 2 cube can be written as 2 cube plus 7 into n divided by 7. This portion is divisible. Okay. Now 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 7 divided by 7. This portion divisible. So divide 8 by 7. Remainder is 1. So 17 to the power 6 divided by 7. Remainder is 1. 17 to the power 6 divided by 7. Remainder 1. And for this portion remainder is 6. So 6 plus 1 divided by 7. Remainder is 0. So answer is 0. Okay. Take one homework. Find the remainder when 13 cube plus 14 cube plus 15 cube plus 16 cube plus 17 cube is divided by 5. 13 cube plus 14 cube plus 15 cube plus 16 cube plus 17 cube is divided by 5. Options are 1, 2, 3 and 0. Okay. So first divide 13 cube by 5. Find remainder. Then divide 14 cube by 3. Divide by 5. Remainder. Find remainder. Then 15 cube by 5. 16 cube by 5. 17 cube. Okay. So you can solve this problem. Okay. If you are unable to solve, in next video we will solve this problem. Okay. Thank you.